Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's see what cards we get and go from there. Affirmations. We all run negative tapes in our head. Change the tape by telling yourself positive stories. I am an amazing person. I love my life. Good luck follows me. I embrace my magnificence. I am a high vibrational being. I create affirming thoughts. I deserve love. I am joyful. I am beautiful. I have an abundance of self-worth. Repeat those a few times while looking in the mirror and see what happens. It's called mirror work. "13. Find your haven. There is a place of wonder waiting just for you." Have you been seeing butterflies or little mushrooms lately? Investigate that. Meditative mandala. Find inner peace and harmony through the power of meditation. Embroidered enlightenment. And the last card before we go to our quotes. Number 49, skywriting the fates. Alrighty, and today's quotes. Let's check out this little checkered box. When you start doing small little things for yourself every day, this begins your glow up. What will you do for yourself today? Sometimes I wonder if all this is happening because we didn't forward that message to 10 people back in those days. You can only do your best, and if they can't appreciate that, it's their problem, not yours. Today, don't forget to pick out your attitude and energy you want to have today. And the last one today. I think you should tell people how important they are to you, not because they could leave at any moment, but because they are here now and it's worth saying. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.